Good morning, students. Last lecture we have discussed the process of filtrations. Okay, a simple process of filtrations. Today we are discussing the process of filtration under the suction under the suction. See the first diagram. This is the Buckner flask. This is called Buckner flask. This is the rubber tubing. It have the side rubber tubing. This is the Buckner funnel. Okay, Buckner funnel. Buckner funnel is fitted to the Buckner flask with the rubber cork. Here the rubber cork. Okay, and it has the Buckner funnel has the porous plate, and above the porous plate, the filter paper is fitted. Okay, and this tube is connected to the bottle to avoid the going the residue into the solutions. Okay, so this is the apparatus, or this is the figures for the process of filtration under suction. In this process of filtrations, Buckner funnel is fitted on the Buckner conical flask with the rubber cork or rubber bung. That is the in this process of the filtrations. First, we have feed the Buckner funnel. This is the Buckner funnel. Okay. First, we have the feed the Buckner funnel on conical flask with the help of the rubber bung. Here, this is the rubber bung which is seen in the black color. Okay. Then filter paper is fitted on the Buckner funnel. Here, the filter paper, and here filter paper is fitted in the Buckner funnel. Okay. And the solutions which is to be filtered is powered on the Buckner funnel. From here, we can power the uh, solution to be filtered. So solution to be filtered is powered on filter paper. Solution to be filtered is powered on the filter paper. The suction pump is started to create the suctions, and when we power the solution to be filtered in the filter paper, then pump should be started. Suction pump is started for the creation of the suction for the create the suction. The insoluble part of solutions remains on the filter paper, that is called the residue. The insoluble part which is remains in the filter paper and filtrates goes into the Buckner flask. Okay, and liquid collect in the Buckner flask, that is called filtrate. Okay, do you understand? This is the process of the filtration under suction. Now next terms is the crystallizations. What is the crystallizations? Crystallization technique, where the crystallization techniques are used in the purification. This technique, crystallization technique, is used for the purification of the solid organic compound. This technique involves the four steps. Crystallization technique involves the four steps. We will discuss in the next lectures which are the four steps in the crystallization. So where the crystallization techniques are used for the purifications of the solid organic compounds, and it is not used for the liquid purification of the liquid compounds. So crystallization techniques are used for the purification of the only solid compounds. Okay,